Bob, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Yeah, hey, I bought a car, and I'm self-employed, and when all the work stopped, I lost it. And I kept the car, and I kept fighting the bank back and forth, and finally it got to the point where it was statutes of limitation. They did a forgiveness of debt to me on the car, but they sent a thing to the IRS, saying that I had $32,000 that I had to pay taxes on.
Yeah.
Which was fine. It was fine, but they will not give me the title.
Bob, I thought that's where you were going to go with this. That is so unusual. I've never heard that before, Bob, but I knew you were going there. So the bank says, Bob, you don't owe us any money anymore, by the way, but we're not going to send you the title to the car. Bob, have you asked him for the car title?
Oh yeah, I went through 2 weeks worth going back and forth over the phone, talking in different ones, and some of them said, "Oh, we'll get that right up to you in a week." Well, a week went by, I didn't get it, so I called back, and then it got to the point where, "Oh, well, we're not giving you the title." And I said, "You want me to pay the taxes on it, but you're not giving me the title?" I go, "No, that ain't working." So here I am talking to you.
Oh, Bob, you know what? I wish I had a great answer for you. And, Bob, I would say this, that I would think that if you went before a judge and you said, "Judge, they forgave this debt. Look, here's a note from the IRS that I owe taxes on $32,000, but they won't send me the car title," I would think that a judge would be very sympathetic to you, Bob. So
Okay.
I wish there was a way that, first of all, Bob, you could retain me or another lawyer to write a demand letter and see if that turns them around, and that would always be the first step, Bob. But if that doesn't work, then I think a lawsuit would be successful in this situation, Bob.
How do I get hold of you?
You can reach me in office next week at 407-423-5561, or always through our website at lawtube.com, like YouTube, but lawtube.com. Hey, folks, we're going to take a break. We'll be back in just a few minutes.